Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share something interesting that I'm doing in TESOL 341 Principles of Language Teaching course. What you see on the screen is the Video Ant application. Unlike other social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram, the Video Ant enables the students interact with the course content, multimedia source in a more meaningful and interactive manner. So what you see on the left side is the video post that I created as an instructor, which illustrates the interview between two polyglots, the people who speak multiple languages. And on the right side, you see the students' comments, annotations. So in addition to the course textbook, I purposefully select the video that is related to the unit that we are discussing. So while watching the video, students can pause when they encounter something interesting, stimulating, and they can post their annotations right at the timestamp. So this assignment combines the video analysis, reflective writing, and also peer interaction to help students think like scholars.